Hi everyone, Agnes here. Welcome to your day 14 of your money game and meaningful money manifesting. Now, today you are going to have 70,000 in your own currency. So wherever you are, what are you going to spend it on? Is it going to be for you or is it going to be for somebody else today? It's such a wonderful thing to have every day to choose different things to pick, and for an array of people, strangers, family, friends, to be able to be a bit of a philanthropist. So let me know down below what you're going to spend it on. Now today, what I'm going to do with mine is I'm going to renovate a beautiful little apartment in London to set it up as an Airbnb. So I'm going to spend my £70,000 on that today. So I hope that you are enjoying this week as it's getting bigger amounts, and let me know how it feels compared to the smaller amounts. Okay, lots of love everyone, and I will pop up some money YouTubes next to my head so that you can go and bring up your money vibe. The affirmation for today: it's crazy how much money comes to me. Lots of love.